Okay, so this is Richard Mika RM. So I'm in my little studio or painting room. That's a couple of Disney ones I'm working on. Just finished that one. These are all for commission. If anybody wants to get one from me, let me know. I'll make you a Disney painting in this type of style. But now this one's from Kevin Hill Landscape. So I just finished it today. Wasn't sure if I was going to get another painting out this year or this fall. Since I'm doing more animation now, so everything's on paper for me. But I guess once in a while I'll still be able to do landscape painting from Kevin Hill. So I did sign it, RM 2015. Actually turns out not too bad. There's a couple of trees in the distance. Into the big giant cliff into the back. And this is Richard Mika RM for almost September. Oh, we're in September, almost October. Yeah. So I'm in the middle of turning my credits over to Sheridan right now. Trying to get into their animation program, so see how that goes this year. Yeah, it's looking pretty good for me. I quite like it. The landscape turned out too, so it's looking okay. So this is Richard Mika RM. This is called Mountain Painting. One of Kevin Hill's painting along with tutorials. And this is my version of the river. Not quite sure where he has taken it from. I don't really know. So it's okay. Richard Mika RM. Oil painting from Kevin Hill. Landscape. It's called Mountain Painting. Thanks. In oils. It's probably my last bit of oil paints too. A lot of them are running out. So the few that are kind of intact, but most of them are pretty much dissolved. So this is probably my last painting for a while anyway. So I'm not going to be buying more canvas probably till I need it. Or till I do something for school. And then I'll show you how that turns out. So this is a little bit tonalism, but more color. So it's a bit of both, I say.